Nigeria versus Tunisia. I guess full time finish, and Tunisia won, Nigeria 0, and Tunisia is keeping going, and Nigeria is out of the tournament. I'm not that I'm happy, I'm not happy. Honestly speaking, Nigeria is country that I support because when it comes like Africa, Nigeria and Ghana, we are one, and no matter how, everybody know when it comes to Ghana and Nigeria, no matter how, we love each other. But when it comes to teasing each other, you are this, you are that, Ghana is like this, Nigeria is like, it's normal. But when it comes to Nigeria and Ghana, and we love each other. So when it comes to football and everything in Africa, I support Nigeria like the way I support Ghana. So I'm not happy that Nigeria is out because Ghana is out from group stage. So my hope was like Nigeria have to make it to the up there. But fortunately, Nigeria is out. And I'm gonna share my own opinion. The reason why Nigeria is out, not just they don't have the quality, not just they don't call the good players, but the reason why Nigeria is out. That is why I always say to people out there that everything in this life, it is get the mindset, it is guess how you think, it is guess how you see things that make Nigeria win out today. And I'm going to tell you why. Tunisia, most of their players, COVID and all that. And if you check Nigeria's squad and Tunisia squad, it's not something that even myself, I always predict and I always say the team that will win and I always get it right. But as for this one, for out there, I was saying that Nigeria going to beat Tunisia even more than 2 goals. But there we go, 1-0, and the game is over, getting red card as well. And the reason why Nigeria failed this match is because they underrated the Tunisian team. That is all, nothing else. Nigerians, they are going to this match, they went to this match, they feel too big on themselves. The players feel too big. They feel like they are on top of the game because of the qualify on 9 points. So back in their mind, they play like a master. Everybody play like a master game, like Ghana, how we say it, Nigeria we say, you play like a your Oga. That is the reason why Nigeria failed to beat Tunisia. If like Nigeria was going to meet a country like Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, or let's say even Ghana is in the tournament and Nigeria is going to meet Ghana, like you will see the ball that Nigeria will play. Because if like Nigeria is going to meet Cameroon, they know how Abubakar and all Cameroon players will do. So the way Nigeria will play against Cameroon, like it will be something different. But going to this game, they feel like wow, they're going to walk away from the Tunisians. That is why I was saying earlier on that if Nigerians are thinking that well, Ghana missed in the African Cup of Nations, they didn't able to make it out of the group stage, so they're going to walk away. I was listening to their MFF or how they call it, Ghana we call it FA, the leader of Nigerian football, was saying that they know that Ghana match is not going to be easy. So if Ghana going to work times 2, they're going to work times 6. But when it comes to meeting in Ghana, it's going to be a different ball together. No matter how Ghana didn't make it on the group stage, that is how Nigerians, the players, the underrated and Morocco, Tunisian team, that um, everybody out there, including myself, was saying that Nigeria going to beat them and beat them very well. But you see what happened. You see what happened. That is why I always say to you guys that football, not just for football, but in life, things that you think that is easy is not going to be easy for you. So everything you have to be physically, mentally prepared for everything. That's what cost for Nigeria to do. Just for single goal, for Nigeria to even equalize, like to get even penalty, they cannot even able to get the goal score. Tunisia was always like dominate the game. They like they come out and believe that yes they can make it. So if you don't know, if you wonder the reason why Nigeria failed to to um, to beat Tunisia, this is the mentality. This is what makes Nigeria fail because Nigeria fail simply because they underrate the Tunisian team. Not just only the players, but all of us that out there was supporting Nigeria, whether you support Nigeria or not. a team that qualify with 9 points and a team that win only one game, you don't expect this team to beat a team that win all the group stage matches and get 9 points. So that is what's going to happen. It may happen, it may not. If Ghana meet Nigeria, it may happen. Nigeria, they will correct their mistakes. Ghana will correct their mistakes. That is why I was saying that it's going to be a very tough game. You see, so guys, this is what I have to say about Nigeria and Tunisia. Nigeria, they underrate Tunisians. They think that, well, Tunisia, they have no player out there. Most of their players have COVID and all that, so they're gonna walk away from Tunisia. And back in their mind, they feel